Hello lovelies! I am back again with another video tutorial that I made for Thermoweb's blog and channel. Today I am going to show you this cute gold foiled underwater lawn fawn card. I hope you keep watching this video. If you are a newbie here, hi, it's Toth and I am super happy that you are here. Now let's start the tutorial. I am going to use the grass green premium cardstock from Gina Designs, as well as her grass green Glitz glitter gel. I added the petals and wings detail stencil with purple tape to the green cardstock, then I applied the Glitz glitter gel to the paper through the stencil and gently pulled with stencil pen. Because of its large coverage area, the stencil pen makes it even easier. Once I am done, I remove the stencil and I am going to clean all my used supplies and let the glittery leaves completely dry. It will take about half hour. While I am waiting for the glittery leaves, I am going to make gold foil leaves with petals and wing craft dies from Gina Designs and using the PeelnStick toner sheets and champagne decofoil transfer sheets. I also used the stitched scallop rectangle frame dies from Lawn Fawn to create gold frame. After die cutting, I ran them through my laminator with iCraft champagne decofoil transfer sheets. When the Glitz glitter gel dried, I fuzzy cut the glittery leaves, and now I have leaves in 2 colors and sizes. The next step was the coloring. I used the Soap Jelly and Seahorsin around stem sets from Lawn Fawn to create sweet underwater critters. I stamped and fuzzy cut the stamped images off camera, and now I am going to make a quick coloring with my Copic markers. I am starting with the darkest color and continue to lighter and lighter. I always do the same coloring twice on every single image, because the final result will be much more vibrant and contrasted. The next step is the background of the scene. I pulled out my watercolors and I created a simple gradient watercolor wash. I fixed the watercolor paper with purple tape before the coloring. I am activating the watercolors with water and starting the underwater wash. First I wet the paper with clear water, then I started adding colors with flat watercolor brush. Once it dries, the result will be a nice and smooth gradient wash. When it's dried, I added white, blue and mint watercolor splatters on it and let it dry. Now I have every part prepared for my cards, so I can start putting them together. After I cut the background to the basic card size, which is 5.5 by 4.25 inches, I added the background to a white card base with Gina Designs Parchment Adhesive Runner. Next I added the champagne gold foil leaves to their right places, as well as the Glitz glitter gel leaves, then the colored images, where I also used the iCraft Ultra Bond liquid adhesive. Because I wanted to add a little dimension to the colored critters, I used white foam squares from Gina Designs. I love this adhesive so much because it's super permanent. In the end, I added the heat embossed sentiment. I used the fancy wavy banners die cut from Lawn Fawn to pop the sentiment. In the end, I noticed that I am missing something from my card, so I added gold foil splatters with iCraft decofoil adhesive pen and champagne decofoil. As you can see, I just added a few dots when I rubbed on the foil with my fingers, and voila, it's done. And these are the final cards. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your crafty friends. If you are already subscribed, ring the bell to don't miss any new tutorials. Have a happy day. Bye!